I met a customer last week who'd owned his 2018 Outback for 3 years. He just discovered his car had been tracking his driving efficiency the entire time, data that could have saved him hundreds in gas money, completely unused. Another owner went 5 years before finding out her Forester could automatically lock itself. She'd been double-checking her doors every night like a paranoid person. Your Subaru has features built into it that most owners never discover. Capabilities that save money, improve safety, and make daily driving easier. And the worst part? You've probably been paying for these features without even using them. Today, I'm revealing the hidden Subaru features you'll seriously regret not knowing about sooner. These aren't minor convenience tricks. These are genuinely useful functions that change how you use your car. Some prevent expensive damage, others eliminate daily frustrations. Keep watching, because discovering even one of these could make you wish you'd watched this video years ago. Let's get into it. Hidden feature number 1. The automatic engine shutoff. Override. Modern Subarus shut off automatically after idling for 1 hour. This is a safety feature to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning in garages, but sometimes you actually need to leave your car running longer, warming up on freezing mornings, running AC while waiting for someone, keeping the defrosters going during snow removal, powering electronics during camping. Here's what most owners don't know. You can extend or disable this feature. When the 60-minute warning appears on your dashboard, press the OK button on your steering wheel. This extends the running time another 60 minutes. You can repeat this each time the warning appears, or disable it temporarily through settings. Go to Settings on your infotainment screen. Navigate to Vehicle Settings. Find Auto Engine Shutoff. Toggle it to Off. The engine will run indefinitely until you manually turn it off. Important: this setting resets each time you restart the car. You have to disable it again next time if needed, and never leave a car running in an enclosed garage. Carbon monoxide is deadly and odorless. Only use this in well-ventilated areas. Knowing this prevents frustration when you legitimately need extended idling. Hidden feature number 2. The secret drive mode memory. Your Subaru has X mode, Sport mode, or other drive settings. But did you know it can remember your preferred setting? Most owners have to select their mode every single time they start the car. Here's the hidden setting that changes this. Access your vehicle settings through the touch screen. Find drive mode settings or similar option. Look for memory or default mode. Select your preferred mode, Sport, X mode, etc. Enable Remember Last Setting. Now your Subaru automatically starts in your chosen mode. No more pressing buttons every time you start the car. Why this matters? If you always drive in Sport mode, it's annoying to enable it daily. If you frequently use X mode in winter, automatic activation is essential. Some modes affect fuel economy significantly. Forgetting to disable Sport mode wastes gas. This hidden setting has been in Subaru since around 2015, but most owners never find it in the menus. They waste years repeatedly selecting the same mode. Hidden feature number 3. Auto door lock and unlock customization. Your Subaru can automatically lock and unlock doors based on your preferences, but the default settings might not match how you actually use your car. Here's what you can customize. Auto lock when driving. Doors automatically lock when you shift out of park, or when you reach 12 miles per hour. You can change when this happens, or disable it entirely. Auto unlock when parked. Doors unlock when you shift to park, or when you turn off the ignition, or only when you remove the key. You choose which option works for your routine. Unlock all doors versus driver door only. First press unlocks just the driver door. Second press unlocks all doors. Or you can set it to unlock all doors with one press. Relock if door isn't opened. If you unlock the car but don't open a door within 30 seconds, it relocks. You can adjust this timer or disable the feature. How to access these settings? Go to Settings on your infotainment screen. Select Vehicle Settings. Navigate to Door Lock Settings. Customize each option to your preference. Why customize these settings? Safety. In sketchy areas, you might want all doors to stay locked until you're ready. Convenience. If you're always alone, unlocking all doors at once makes sense. Family use. If you pick up kids, auto unlock makes it easier for them to get in. I've met owners who fought with their car's locking behavior for years. They never knew it could be changed to match their needs. Hidden feature number 4, the fuel economy monitor and driving coach. Your Subaru tracks your driving efficiency in real time. Most owners ignore this or don't know it exists, but this feature can save you hundreds in fuel costs annually. Access the fuel economy display. Press the I/set button on your steering wheel. Cycle through the multi-information display options. You'll find current MPG, average MPG, and range displays. But here's the hidden part most people miss. The ECO gauge on your dashboard. This shows real-time fuel efficiency. Accelerate smoothly, and it stays green. Accelerate aggressively, and it drops to yellow or nothing. The trip computer detailed breakdown shows average MPG for each trip, displays driving time and distance, calculates fuel consumption patterns. The driving report, newer models, rates your driving efficiency with a score, shows acceleration, deceleration, and cruising efficiency, gives tips on improving fuel economy. Access this through vehicle info on the touch screen. How to use this to save money. Watch the ECO gauge during acceleration. Adjust your throttle input to keep it in the green zone. This teaches you to accelerate efficiently. Check your average MPG after each tank. Try to beat your previous average. Gamifying fuel efficiency actually works. Review the driving report weekly. Identify bad habits like harsh braking or rapid acceleration. Change your behavior based on the data. One customer improved from 24 miles per gallon to 28 miles per gallon just by paying attention. That's 16% fuel savings, easily $400 to $500 per year, all from using features already in the car. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Hidden feature number 5, the maintenance reminder. Customization. Your Subaru's maintenance minder alerts you at specific intervals, but these default settings might not match your actual maintenance schedule. You can customize when reminders appear. Access settings on your touch screen. Go to Vehicle Settings, select Maintenance. You'll see options for oil change interval, mileage and time-based, tire rotation reminder, engine air filter, cabin air filter, brake inspection, other scheduled services. Change each reminder to match your preferences. If you change oil every 4,000 miles instead of 6,000, set it. If you rotate tires every oil change, adjust the interval. If you use synthetic oil and go 7,500 miles, program that. Why this matters. Default reminders might be too conservative or too aggressive. Unnecessary early service wastes money. Delayed service causes damage. You can match reminders to your actual driving conditions. Severe service, city driving short trips, shorter intervals. Normal service, highway longer trips. Standard intervals. Your specific habits and climate. This prevents both over-servicing and under-servicing. Most owners just ignore the reminders when they don't align with their schedule. Instead, customize them to actually be useful. Hidden feature number 6, remote climate preconditioning. Many newer Subarus with Starlink have remote climate control, but most owners only use it for basic remote start. There are hidden climate features that make life much easier. Schedule automatic climate activation. Set your car to preheat or pre-cool at specific times. Perfect for daily commutes. Your car is ready when you are. No manual activation needed. Customize climate settings for remote start. Choose exact temperature. Select which zones activate. Driver only, all seats, etc. Enable heated seats and steering wheel automatically. Set defrost mode for winter mornings. All of this happens before you even walk to the car. Extended remote climate duration. Standard remote start runs for 10 minutes, but you can extend this to 20 or 30 minutes in settings. Useful for extreme cold when 10 minutes isn't enough. How to access these features. Download the My Subaru app on your phone. Link your vehicle through Starlink. Navigate to climate controls. Set schedules and preferences. Or use the settings menu in your car's touchscreen. Why most owners miss this? They think remote start is just pressing a button. They don't explore the app or vehicle settings. They don't realize scheduling is even possible. This feature alone can save 10 to 15 minutes of warm-up time daily over a year. That's hours of your life back. Plus, better fuel efficiency than idling to warm up. Hidden feature number 7. The hidden storage compartments. Your Subaru has storage areas that most owners never discover. These aren't in obvious places or mentioned in basic walkthroughs. Under the trunk floor, multiple compartments beneath the main cargo area. Perfect for storing emergency supplies, tools, or valuables. Keeps items secure and hidden from view. Behind the rear seat, some models have small storage pockets behind the rear seats. Access them by folding the seats down. Great for rarely used items. In the center console, the armrest compartment often has a removable divider. Take it out for larger items, or adjust it to organize smaller items better. Under the front passenger seat, some Subarus have a shallow drawer under the passenger seat. Slides out for additional hidden storage. Door panel pockets. The door panels have deeper pockets than they appear. Items can slide far back and disappear. Check these if you've lost something. Seat back pockets with hidden features. Rear seat back pockets often have multiple sections. One for tablets, one for magazines, one for bottles. Most people only use one section. Why knowing these matters? Keeps your cabin organized and clutter-free. Hides valuables from potential thieves. Emergency supplies stay accessible but out of sight. Maximizes cargo capacity without roof boxes or trailers. Take 20 minutes to explore every storage area in your Subaru. You'll be surprised how much space you've been missing. Hidden feature number 8. The rear seat reminder system. This is a life-saving feature that many owners don't realize they have, or they have it, but don't understand how it works. How rear seat reminder works. If you open a rear door before starting a trip, the system notes it. When you park and turn off the engine, you get a reminder. A chime sounds and a message appears. Check rear seat. This prevents leaving children, pets, or important items in the car. Hidden customization most people miss. You can adjust the sensitivity and setting. Choose whether it activates every time or only in certain conditions. Some models let you disable it if you find it annoying, but I strongly recommend keeping it active. Why this feature gets overlooked. People think it's just for parents with kids. Actually, it prevents forgetting anything in the back seat. Groceries, laptops, important documents, even pets. Some owners disable it thinking it's a nuisance. But those are the people who most need the reminder. Stories of this feature saving the day. Customer forgot her laptop bag with $3,000 in equipment. The reminder made her check the back seat before walking away. Another forgot groceries including frozen food. Would have spoiled if not for the reminder. Most importantly, it prevents tragic accidents with children or pets. Even responsible parents can have a lapse in routine. If your Subaru has this feature, understand it and keep it enabled. It's not annoying, it's potentially life-saving. Bonus hidden features. Here are a few more quick secrets you'll regret not knowing. Your windshield wipers have a de-icer function. The heated wiper park area melts ice from wiper blades. Activate it with rear defrost or climate controls. The side mirrors auto-tilt in reverse. Set your mirror position in reverse once. The car remembers and auto-tilts when you reverse. Perfect for avoiding curb rash. Hill Start Assist can be disabled. If you don't like how it holds the brakes on hills, you can turn it off. Settings. Vehicle. Hill Start Assist. Off. Your horn has 2 sounds. Light tap, polite beep, hard press, loud alarm. Use the right one for the situation. The cargo area has hidden tie-downs. Flip up the floor panels. You'll find multiple anchor points for securing loads. Why Subaru doesn't advertise these. You might wonder why these features aren't more obvious. Several reasons. Feature overload confuses buyers. Highlighting every capability makes cars seem complicated. Dealership sales training is limited. Salespeople don't know every feature on every model. They focus on main selling points. Owner's manuals are overwhelming. These features are documented but buried in 400 pages. Most people never read beyond basic operation. Some features vary by trim level. Subaru doesn't want to advertise features that aren't universal. They're discovered benefits. Subaru wants owners to explore and find features. It creates loyalty and positive feelings. But now you know what to look for. You can use your Subaru to its full potential. Save money, save time, and enjoy capabilities you're already paying for. Your Subaru is more sophisticated than most owners realize. These hidden features are built in and waiting to be discovered. Most people drive for years without using half of what their car can do. That's money wasted, convenience missed, and safety features ignored. But you're not most people anymore. You have the knowledge to unlock your Subaru's full potential. Use these features starting today and share them with other Subaru owners so they don't waste years like you might have. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.